Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You do that in both directions, and the speed of the green is the average run out, in feet and inches. For normal golf courses nowadays, readings of 9 or 10 are considered fast, and greens at major tournaments are probably 12 or higher. 23 February 2015.
Take our lead.
Rolling is a practice that improves surface smoothness, uniformity and increases green speed. There are a variety of lightweight rollers used on greens, including sidewinder units and roller attachments that can be mounted on a triplex mower.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.